Ever noticed those cheeky birds in medieval manuscripts? Here's the twist. They're not just decorative. In medieval Europe, artists used birds, like peacocks, cocks, and even owls, as sneaky symbols for sex and desire. Fact. Many illuminated manuscripts feature birds perched suggestively or pecking at fruit, hinting at forbidden pleasures. Source: British Library, 2018. Why? Censorship. Artists couldn't show sex outright, so they let birds do the flirting for them. So next time you see a medieval bird, ask yourself, is that just a bird? Or a secret seduction? Wait, what?